Namaste. Welcome you all for the yoga session. In this we are going to do some basic postures, then sun salutation, followed by trunk movements, keeping a posture having one hip in flexion and external rotation and another hip in extension. These sorts of movements would enhance the neuromuscular control of all the vital musculature in and around the lumbo-pelvic hip complex. We shall begin with some basic postures. Keep a blanket folded, sit upright, lie on your back, fold both the legs, heel closer to the hips, foot 6 inches apart, foot parallel to one another. Feel your breathing. As you inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Feel also the posterior region, the lower back, that also responds to the breathing. Watch your breathing. Chest should be reasonably stable, neutral. Watch the movement of the diaphragm. As we inhale, allow the abdominal cavity to expand throughout, all around, circumferential expansion of the abdominal and the pelvic cavity. As you exhale, it should contract. Towards the end of exhalation, try to contract the abdominal muscles little more than normal. This is a very fundamental breathing which has to be implemented throughout in all the postures. This breathing not only helps the abdominal muscles but also helps the mind to calm. Stretch both arms up. Breathe consciously. Neck at the center, chin towards the chest. Raise your right leg up. Stretch the heel. Pull the kneecap. Toes towards the knee. Pull the kneecap. Tighten the quadriceps, the front of the thigh. Feel the stretch at the back of the thigh. Watch your hip. Watch the gluteal muscles or the muscles of the hip. Watch your back muscles. Press the left foot. For that you got to activate the calf muscle. Also contract the hamstring muscles against the calf muscle and feel the knee capsule. That is the outer covering of the knee on your left leg. Fold right leg down. Left leg up. Pull the kneecap. Stretch the heel. Consciously watch the muscles of the leg, especially the calf muscle, hamstring, then the muscles of the hip and also the lower back. Do not miss out on your breathing. Breathe at ease. Down. Right leg up. When raising the legs, also ensure that the base of the spine does not take off the floor. Pull the kneecap. Stretch the heel. The muscles of the leg, especially the hamstring, they help the back a great deal. Right leg down, chain, left leg. Pull the kneecap, stretch the heel. The hamstring muscles are connected to the hip bone, and on the hip bone sits the spinal column. So they are all involved in a kinetic or kinematic chain. The health of the hamstring is very crucial. So feel the stretch. Relax the left leg. Right leg up. Fold. Hold the right knee from both hands and pull the knee closer to the chest. And keep the foot, knee and the hip in the same plane. That is, do not move the knee out of the plane. And on both the legs, squeeze the hamstring muscles against the calf muscle and feel the inner corners of the knee. Also feel the outer covering of the knee capsule. Watch your breathing. Release right leg. Left leg up. Fold. Hold the knee. Press the knee closer to the chest. This particular posture does help the gluteal minimus and the gluteal medius muscles. These are the two muscles in the region of the hip that greatly helps in all our walking. Pay attention to the breathing. That is the key. As we inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, it should contract. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold, hold the knee, press the knee closer to the chest. Stretch the heel, right heel, that is toes towards the knee. Do not neglect the left leg. You should press the left foot. For that you have to activate the calf muscle, then contract the back of the left thigh. Watch also the posterior skin, the thick skin resting on the floor. Release right leg. Chain. Left leg up. Fold. Hold the knee. Press the knee closer to the chest. The posterior thick skin on your lower back, the thoracolumbar fascia as it is called, that also responds to breathing. Just watch that. It also experiences a mild stretch as you inhale and a contraction as you exhale. Get connected with the posture, get connected with the breathing, be present. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold the knee from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull it closer to the root of the left thigh. From right hand, push the knee. On both the legs, contract the hamstring muscles, the back of the thigh against the calf muscle, to enhance the feeling of the knee capsule. As we inhale, sensitize the base of the spine. Feel the base of the spine, especially the sacroiliac joint. There is the articulation between the iliac bone and the sacrum of the spine. Release the right leg. Chain. Left leg up, fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel closer to the root of the right thigh. From left hand, push the knee. It's very important to have complete postural awareness. Do not allow the pelvis to rotate. Release the left leg. One more time, right leg up. Fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel closer to the root of the thigh. From right hand, push the knee. Activate the back of the thigh on both the legs. Breathe consciously. Feel the base of the spine. All these postures are designed to help the core muscles, which would include the region of the abdomen, the lower back, the hip, the pelvis, because this is the region which takes a lot of loading, and these postures prepare one to safely practice other postures. Release right leg. Chain, left leg. Fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull the heel closer to the root of the thigh. From left hand, push the knee. This posture also obviously helps the knee joint, the hip socket also gets a good soothing movement. The sacroiliac joint experiences a mild but very necessary movement. Good breathing is the foundation for all these postures. Release left leg. Right leg up. Fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull it from right hand, push the knee across the chest. This is a very good stretch for the gluteal maximus muscle, which is one of the major muscles located in the region of the hip. Again, watch your breathing. As you inhale, the abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Release. Left leg up. Fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint. Pull from left hand, push the knee across the chest. Press it closer to the trunk. Now here the abdominal muscles and organs also stand to benefit because of enhanced massaging movement under the pressure of the thigh. Do not neglect the right leg. Press the right foot. Tighten the calf muscle. Tighten the back of the thigh. Release left leg. One more time. Right leg up. Fold from left hand, hold the ankle joint, pull from right hand, push the knee across the chest. Feel also the lower back. No muscle acts in isolation. They are all connected in a great kinematic linkage. So that is why all these varied movements are essential to keep this whole chain of movements healthy. Release right leg, chain, left leg up, fold from right hand, hold the ankle joint, pull from left hand, push the knee across the chest. You must do these postures with awareness. Mechanical movements does not yield great results. The movement should be done with awareness. You must be present. You must get completely involved. Release left leg. Stretch your left leg forward, roll onto the right side, press the left palm, slowly get up. So these are some of the basic postures that greatly helps one to relax the most taxed portion of our system. Sit upright in Vajrasana, sit on your heels, keep a folded blanket below the knee. Breathe at ease, slow inhalation, slow exhalation, palms facing upwards. Sit in the all fours position. Palm below the shoulders, knee below the hips, knee on the blankets, trunk nearly parallel to the ground, middle finger pointing forward, spread the fingers, press the palms. As we inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As we exhale, slowly bend back, Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes back, tighten the calf muscle, well open the shoulders, lift the neck up the clavicle, and then bend back. Complete hyperextension of the spinal column. Keeping the palm pressed, inhale, come to the all fours. Exhale, bend forward, Shashankasana. Do not change the position of the palms. Stretch the arms, press the palm. Take the forehead to the ground or closer to the ground. Again, inhale, come up. Exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Open the shoulders, look up. This is a simple good movement both for the back and the shoulders. Press the palms, stretch the toes, straighten the calf muscle. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Shashankasana. Take the forehead close to the ground. These movements are very good to begin sun salutation. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. No jerks in the movement. Movements and breathing should match. When you stay in the posture, do not hold the breath. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend back. Lift the neck up, bend back. Press the palm. Inhale, come to the all fours. As you exhale, bend forward. Breathing and action should be well coordinated. Inhale, come to the all fours and relax. Sit on your heel in Vajrasana, sit upright. Stand up. We are going to do sun salutation. Stand in front of the folded blanket, about 2 to 2.5 feet away. Stand in Tadasana, join the heel, join the big toe, pull both the kneecaps, chest and navel up. We'll open the shoulders, stretch the arms. Now fold both the elbows, press the palm in salutation, chest and navel up. Squeeze the buttocks. Look forward. Watch your breathing. Keep on pulling the kneecap. Namaskara. From here, inhale, stretch both arms up, and as you exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Arms straight, ensure to keep the legs straight, and freely bend back. From your lower back, you should bend. Inhale, come up. Exhale, slowly bend forward, taking the palm to the ground and press the palm by the side of the foot if possible. Inhale, exhale from Uttanasana, right leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana, look forward, keep the palm pressed on the floor. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, fold the toes in. Dvipada Prasaranasana, legs straight, arms perpendicular, trunk parallel. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down. Chaturanga Dandasana, elbows closer to the trunk. Inhale, exhale, rest the knee on the blanket, bend back, Bhujangasana. We'll open the chest, tighten the muscles of the upper arms, stretch the toes, squeeze the calf muscle. Now fold the toes, inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Keep the palm pressed, lift the scapula region up, stretch the spine, head closer to the ground, press the foot, legs straight. Both legs straight. Keep breathing, do not hold the breath. Now inhale, exhale, take your right foot forward. Foot should come between the two palms. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Now again inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Uttanasana. Keep the palm pressed. Initially it may be difficult to keep the palm pressed. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. This concludes one cycle of sun salutation. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, slowly, gently bend back. Feel the stretch in the complete trunk, the pelvis, the abdomen, chest. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Stretch the spine. You should bend from the hip. If possible, keep the palm, press the palm by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. Stretch the toes. Look forward. Inhale, exhale, right leg also back, fold the toes. Dvipada Prasaranasana, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. Trunk and legs parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, rest the knee, bend back, Bhujangasana, look up. Well, open the chest, middle finger pointing forward. Keep the palm thoroughly pressed. Fold the toes, inhale, exhale, rise the hips up, head down, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Press the palm, lift the scapular region up. Pull the kneecaps, hit the back of the knee, press the complete foot. Breathe well. As you inhale, abdominal cavity should expand. As you exhale, it should contract. Be watchful, be aware. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, foot should come between the palms in one single stride. Initially it may be difficult, then you will have to really lift the palm and pull it out. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. 2 cycles are done. We are into the 3rd cycle. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Watch your arms, watch your legs. Squeeze the buttocks. Do not hold the breath. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Do not buckle the spine to the best possible extent. Uttanasana. If possible, press the palm on the floor in between by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale. Right leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Left leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Trunk nearly parallel, legs straight. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Rest the knee, inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes. Here you have to squeeze the calf muscle. Feel the contraction of the calf muscle. Stretch the toes. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Fold the toes. Here the calf muscles get a good stretch. Arms straight, legs straight. Pump the scapular region up. Stretch the spine down. Keep the palm pressed. Watch your breathing. Inhale, exhale, right leg forward. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Left leg forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. We have done with 3 cycles. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, bend back. There is hyperextension of the spinal column. Arms also straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale, slowly bend forward, Uttanasana. If possible, press both the palm by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Right hip in flexion, left hip in extension. Inhale, exhale, right leg also back, Dvipada Prasaranasana, trunk nearly parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Stretch the toes. Foot is in plantar flexion, calf muscle is in contraction, spinal column in hyperextension. Look up. Inhale, exhale. Hips up, head down, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now you see the foot comes to dorsiflexion, calf muscle gets a good stretch. Feel your breathing, feel the diaphragm. Keep the palm pressed, arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, foot to come between the 2 palms. Keep the palm pressed. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, right leg also forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. 4th cycle is over. Inhale, stretch the arms, exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Very good for the urogenital organs, the abdominal organs and the organs in the chest. Arms also get the benefit. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. This also helps the abdominal muscles. The hip and the thigh also gets benefited. Inhale, exhale, right like back Ekapada Prasaranasana, the base of the spine gets a good effect in this posture. The foot is also benefited. Inhale, exhale, left leg also back Dvipada Prasaranasana, trunk parallel, good for the wrist and the foot, also for the spinal column. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. It's good for the wrist, elbow and the shoulder. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. It's good for the complete spinal column and the complete system of organs in the trunk. Inhale, exhale, hips up, head down, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight, a good all body stretch, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feel your diaphragm. Inhale, exhale, right foot forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana, look forward, keep the palm pressed. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana, legs straight. Even prayer on the heel and the sole. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Fifth cycle is done. Sixth one, inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Keep the tongue relaxed, forehead relaxed, neck relaxed. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Keep the legs straight. Even prayer on the heel and the sole. Press the palm on the floor by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Look forward. Feel the base of the spine, feel the hips. Inhale, exhale, right leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Trunk nearly parallel, feel your foot and the palm. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Trunk, hip and legs parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Bend back as much as possible, well open the shoulders, chest and navel up. Stretch the toes, squeeze the calf muscle. Fold the toes, inhale, exhale, hips up, head down, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Work heavily on your leg muscles. Stretch the spine. Be strong on your arms. Breathe well. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Stretch the spine. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. Sixth cycle done. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Feel your arms, feel the armpit. Feel the complete spinal muscles. Tighten the buttocks. Urdhvasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Even here, feel the spinal muscles, feel the gluteal muscles, the hip muscles, and the back of the thigh. Uttanasana. Press the palm. Inhale, exhale, right leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Feel the ankle, knee, hip. Inhale, exhale, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Trunk nearly parallel is also good for the stability of the trunk. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Elbows closer. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Well open the chest. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. The movement of this Bhujanga and Adho Mukha helps a lot for your calf muscle, for the ankle joint, for the shoulders and the back. So the combination of these two rejuvenates the complete system. Inhale, exhale, right foot forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Legs straight, inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. This concludes the 7th cycle. Namaskarasana, stretch both arms up as inhale, as exhale, bend back, Urdhvasana. Relax the facial muscles and organs. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Stretch the spine. Press the palm on the floor, on the floor by the side of the foot. Inhale, exhale, left leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale. Right leg also back, Dupada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, check the trunk down, Chaturanga. Inhale, exhale, Bhujangasana, stretch the toes, straighten the calf muscle, tighten the buttocks, bend back, open the chest, look up. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. Keep the palm pressed. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Right leg also forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. This concludes the 8th cycle. Inhale, stretch both arms, exhale, bend back. Urdhvasana. Arms straight, keep the palm pressed. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Legs straight, even pressure on the heel and the sole. Press the palm by the side of the foot. Middle finger pointing forward. Inhale, exhale, right leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana, look forward. Do not hold the breath. Inhale, exhale, left leg also back. Dvipada Prasaranasana. Watch your trunk, legs, arms. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down, Chaturanga. Trunk and legs parallel. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Well, open the chest. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight, press the palm. Watch your breathing. Chin to the chest. Stretch the spine. Inhale, exhale, right foot forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Foot should come between the palms. Inhale, exhale, left leg also forward, Uttanasana. Be strong on your gluteal muscles. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. This is the 9th cycle. Now the 10th one. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, bend back. Arms straight, legs straight, Urdhvasana. Inhale, come up, exhale, bend forward. Uttanasana. The movement should become graceful and no jerks. Be aware of your neuromuscular system. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, right leg back, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Sun salutation is a whole body exercise system. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move to Chaturanga. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. Sun salutation involves almost all major groups of muscles in our system. It is a holistic approach for good health. Inhale, exhale, move to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Arms straight, legs straight. chin to the chest. Inhale, exhale, left foot forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. All major joints get a good movement in sun salutation. Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. This concludes the 10th cycle. Inhale, stretch both arms. Exhale, bend back, arms straight, legs straight. Feel the stretch. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. The practice of sun salutation does not need any gadgets. Inhale, exhale, right leg back. Easy to practice even when you are on travel. Inhale, exhale, Dvipada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana. This is the system very suitable for day-to-day practice. Inhale, exhale, hips up, head down, Adho Svanasana, arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, exhale, right foot forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. We're done with the 11th cycle, the last cycle in this session. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, bend back. Arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward, Uttanasana. Keep the legs straight. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Inhale, exhale, right leg also back, Dvipada Prasaranasana, trunk nearly parallel to the ground, arms perpendicular. Inhale, exhale, flex the elbow, move down to Chaturanga Dandasana, trunk, hip and leg parallel to the ground. Inhale, exhale, bend back, Bhujangasana, well open the chest, look up, stretch the throat and the neck. Inhale, exhale, hips up, head down, Adho Svanasana. Take the chin to the chest, stretch the spine, arms straight, legs straight. Inhale, exhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Uttanasana. Inhale, come up, Namaskarasana. This concludes 12 cycles of sun salutation. This has to be practiced with good breathing, with complete, devoted, dedicated attention. Sit on your heel in Vajrasana. Keep a blanket, folded blanket below the knee. Relax your breathing. Keep the spinal column upright. Sun salutation is a very good mind-body program. When done with good breathing and a good level of involvement, it not only energizes the body but also calms the mind. Fold your right leg on the blanket. The hip should sit at the edge of the blanket and stretch your left leg back. You will see that the right hip is in flexion plus external rotation, while the left hip is in extension. Keep both the palms, especially fingertips, on the floor. Orient the trunk properly. Right thigh should be in line with the posture. In other words, the right thigh and left thigh should be parallel to one another. Orient the chest properly. Chest and navel up. Watch your breathing. This is a good movement for the region of the tailbone. Take your right leg back, left leg folded on the blanket. Press the fingertips, orient the chest properly. As you inhale, the abdominal cavity expands, and as you exhale, it contracts. Be aware. Keep the right calf muscle active. Watch the region of the tailbone and the lower back because of the differential movement in the hip. The muscles there get a very good movement pattern. Stay in the posture with slow inhalation, slow exhalation. Press the palms, take left leg back, sitting in the all fours position. Take your right leg forward, fold and rest on the blanket, left leg stretched back. Then open the chest, turn the trunk to align forward, or stretch both arms up, and slowly bend back as much as possible. Bend even the cervical spine, the neck, and look up. Keep both arms straight. Do not hold the breath. In all these things, ensure that you breathe at ease. Especially focus on the tailbone, sacrum, and the lumbar region. Slowly come up, bring both arms down, press the palm, take your right leg back, now bring your left leg forward, flex, rest on the blanket, press the palm, right leg stretched backward, and open the chest, stretch both arms up, inhale, exhale, bend back. Watch your leg. Slowly come up, both arms down, take your leg back. Right leg forward again, chest and navel up. Orient the trunk properly. Raise your right hand up. Left hand fingertips on the floor. Move the left hand fingertips little away and bend the trunk. Ensure that the right hip does not take off. Stretch your right hand to induce better stretch at the base of the trunk. Slowly come up, bring the right hand down, and then change side. Raise your left hand. Keep the right hand fingertips and move the right hand fingertips as far away and bend the trunk. From left hand you should induce the stretch to the base of the trunk. Feel the groin region, the pelvis, the hip and the lower back. Slowly come up, bring your left hand down, press the palm, right leg back into the all fours, chain, left leg forward, folded on the blanket, press the fingertips, orient the trunk, right hand up, move the left hand fingertips as far away, bend the trunk. Stretch your right arm, firm and deep. Watch your breathing. Slowly come up, bring the right hand down, change side, left hand up, right hand fingertips on the floor. Move the right hand as far away and bend the trunk to the right side. Now slowly come up. Press the palm, take left leg back. Right leg forward again. Flex and rest on the blanket. Stretch your left leg back. Slowly bend the trunk forward, stretch both arms. Keep on stretching the arms. This posture further helps the deeper muscles of the hip to get activated. Keep on stretching the arms, pressing the palms on the floor. Slowly flex the arms, press the palm, come back. Change side, left leg forward, right leg stretched. Orient the trunk. This is the key in this posture. And flex the elbows, bend the trunk forward, take both arms forward. Feel the complete hip complex, the lower back. Breathe with awareness. Slowly flex the elbow, press the palm, lift the trunk up, take left leg back. Right leg forward, sit upright. Orient the trunk. From left hand, hold the right knee. Press the right hand fingertips on the floor. In the exhale, turn the trunk to your right side. Use the grip to turn better. Breathe well, both shoulders even. Slowly come up. Press the palm, right leg back, change side. Left leg forward, orient the knee properly, orient the chest in the right direction, right hand on the left knee, left hand fingertips on the floor. Inhale, exhale, twist the trunk. Watch your breathing. Slowly come up, press the palm, left leg back, right leg forward again, sit upright, left hand on right knee, from right hand try to catch the right thigh and turn. There's also a nice twisting. Slowly come up. Press the palm, right leg back, change side. Now in this, as you can see, the left hip is in flexion and external rotation, while the right hip is in extension. Right hand on left knee. From left hand, catch the left thigh and twist. Breathe well. Slowly come up, press the palm, take left leg back, sit upright in Swastikasana. Sit in Baddha Kona. Join the foot, press the knee to the floor. Its advantage is to sit at a height, with the hips at a height, legs down. Feel the region of the groin, feel your breathing. Keep the trunk upright Just watch your breathing. Hip, pelvis and the lower back have a great linkage mechanism. By giving different orientations to these regions, especially by orienting the hip differently, while we mobilize the trunk in its permitted range of motion, it would greatly enhance So the practice of sun salutation helps all major muscles, ligaments, tendons and the bones of our body. It helps in fat metabolism. It also helps to tone up all the muscles of our body. And some of the trunk movements done with varied positions of the hips helps to engage the lumbo-pelvic hip complex. The muscles present there, they are activated through various movements of the trunk. So just have complete musculoskeletal awareness. Keep the breathing relaxed. Feel the warmth within you. Namaste.